Hey guys, I'm going to explain 1-point perspective today. You can do it usually, showing something fantasy or something like a landscape, something kind of real. And what you will need, Xerox paper will do good. Notebook paper, if that's all you have. If you don't have either and you want white paper, a pizza box of some sort, open it up, you've got white paper. Okay? You'll need a ruler. If you can't find the ruler, any kind of straight edge like a frame. I'm going to use colored pencils. You can use colored pencils, you can use markers, you can just use pencils if you want to. Okay, so these are two ideas I want to explain. 1-point perspective is where everything merges to 1 point and it gives your painting, your drawing, more realistic look. So I'm going to turn the camera down and I'll demonstrate how to accomplish this, okay? So, right here, you're going to take your ruler or your straight edge, draw a straight line, make your dot. Your dot does not have to be in the middle, but just make your dot on that line. Okay, next thing you want to do, because here's what we want to accomplish. You've got your horizon line. Now I'm thinking water. Okay, where do I want my water to come? Everything's got to end up at the vanishing point, okay? So, draw a line here and here for my water. I've decided that I want a pathway and some grass on the other side of the river. I'm going to do another line. Right in here it's going to be the pathway. Draw a line here, it's going to be the grass. Okay, now look at my trees. How big do I want the trees? I want it to come from here, and I'm thinking stop in here somewhere. What I'm going to do, draw another line, and that's going to be where my trunks are going to be. Next is the horizon line. Okay, then I want to go where the edge of the tops of the trees are going to end at, right there. Other side, I've got my blades of grass are going to be right here. The stems, these are like fantasy flowers. They're certainly not flowers as big as trees, but they are in this painting, okay, in this drawing. Okay, I'm going to do another line here for the stems and the leaves. Where do I want the blossoms to go? Here's your horizon line, ignore that for now, and my blossoms are going to come up to here. So I've got that. Next, this is what it would look like. I'm using a marker so it will show up on the video more. I did my tree trunks. I did the trees themselves with the leaves. If I'm doing water is going to be, the waves are going to look larger in front than as you get further back. Same way with the blades of grass. It looks smaller as it goes to, it just disappears. The make-believe flowers, the blooms get smaller. Everything gets smaller as you go back to your 1-point perspective. If I was drawing, like I said, I use marker to illustrate for you so you can see better on the video. But I would do this in pencil if I was doing it on my own, whether it's tulips or some kind of make-believe flowers, be in pencil. So, end up with it. If I were to erase the lines, this is what I would end up with. Now the other idea for showing a 1-point perspective, I made some clouds and drew lines to where they all end at the same vanishing point. I'll show you what I mean. Did a dot. A dot does not have to be in the middle, anywhere. Okay. Did some clouds. I'll call them clouds. Okay, whoops, that's good. All right. Now, take the ruler. Find the edge that comes out the furthest, which is this one right here. Try to keep it on track, okay? Then, on the other side, the furthest line out is right here. Now, if I want to give it more dimension, I can pick out the most intruding one or the most protruding one. I didn't say that right, but anyway, like the one that recesses the most or the one that protrudes out the most. Okay, getting there. Same, everything's going to come to the same 1-point perspective. Where is the outer edge is right here. Okay, outer edge here. Let's go right there. There again, if I want to make it more dimensional, pick out where it indents the most or it protrudes out the most, and draw a line there. I'm going to go again, so let's do one more. And what can happen? Whoa. Okay, I will, let's see here, we're going to pretend this is going to be, when you mess up, you learn to take artistic liberties and make it into something else. So, since I did that, on this side, several of mine are going to have that. They're going to be like it was intentional, okay guys? This is one way. I've told all my students, you can, in art, you can pretty much fix anything, okay? Now, whoa, let's go, let's see what we can get here. One more, from there to there. And let's take in here and go to center. And this one's kind of obvious. Let's go to that one. And, okay, I went past the lines I intended to do. So I might just do that on the others. This is your drawing. You can do anything you want to. Look at here. I can pretend like it was intentional. Keep going, all right? We will keep going. Let's do one. Let's finish this out. There. And right there and right. Try to get everything to go into the same. Okay. And I'm going to draw out like this was intentional. And if, okay, if I want to do one in the center, I want to do one inside. You keep playing, you keep going, and see what you come up with. So, after that, I'm going to use color pencils. Here, I probably start off, I like starting off dark and getting lighter. And then sometimes I'll smear it to make it even more faded at the top. So, give this a try, guys. 1 point perspective. It makes things look more three-dimensional on a two-dimensional surface. So see what you can come up with, okay? I'll see you later.